Hi friends, this is Shraddha. Welcome to Early Learners and Right Brainers. Today's topic is going to be sleep affirmations. Now, what are affirmations? Affirmations means you repeat certain things again and again. Now, there are two types of affirmation. One is positive affirmation and one is negative affirmation. Now, negative affirmation is like you say that I don't know, I can't do, I don't know, I'm bored, I'm irritated, or I just don't understand. These are affirmations as well, and they become the negative affirmations. Now, the positive ones are I can do it, I am trying, and I am going to do it, I'll make it happen. Or you can say this is going all right, or I am peaceful, I am passionate, I am happy. These becomes the positive affirmations. Now with children what happens is we say be careful. Now be careful is what affirmation? Is it a good affirmation or is it a bad affirmation? Is it a positive affirmation or is it a negative affirmation? Now it becomes a negative affirmation because when you say be careful, that means you in your heart feel that my child is going to fall or he or she is going to get hurt. So you say be careful, be careful. Now be careful is not a positive affirmation. So you have to understand that affirmations means you are trying to send out a positive message. The message should have comfort, the message should have trust, the message should be a relaxing one. So these three things are very important. So whenever you want to plan out your own affirmation, maintain that whatever words you use, even if they sound positive, they should not be fear based, they should be love based. Now what should I replace the be careful with? Like if you want to tell your child be careful, what you should say? You can do it, this is the right way, you are capable of it. Be careful? No. Stand properly? No. You are standing rightly, just watch out there, it might be some stone or anything. So just make your affirmations sound really confident. They should be like you care for your child, that is everybody knows, but the care should not be fear based, it should be love based. When you think of love is an emotion where there is a lot of calmness. So when you are calm, your child is going to be calm. If you are very cranky, your child is going to be cranky. So whenever you think that my child is very hyperactive, or my child is very active, or my child is very like I cannot handle him, then think of your own emotions. Are you that person? Because you are always transmitting those energies to them. See, the child from 0 to 7, rather the child from the pregnancy days till 7 is always going to be transmitting and receiving emotions from mother and of course from father also. So both of you have to always have a calm mindset and you have to present them the positive vibes. See, fights happen, issues happen, there is pandemic going on, there are so many problems happening around. These things are going to be there and we have to accept, but we have to be strong and we have to come out strong always. Not every day is going to be the same. Some days it is not going to be good day, some days it is not going to be like the best day, but then what you can do is you can always maintain a balance. Like when I say balance, what could be your affirmations? Your affirmations like you're a peaceful baby, you believe it and the baby is also going to believe it, because peaceful word has no fear. You can say you're a peaceful soul, you're a healthy soul, you eat amazing food, you are healthy, you are grown up, you are intelligent, you are clever, you are nice, you are healthy. So these are like the words itself have lot of meaning to it. So you cannot go wrong by putting any fear. Like some people say that make the affirmations as expressive as you can. But I personally feel making those statements can actually put a lot of fear rather than making a good statement. Like for example, my child, like for example I am saying this, my child is going to sleep well and there will be no disturbance. My child will have no dreams, or my child will have a good dream, or my child will not get up. Now will not have, all these things automatically create a fear. Whatever fear based statements are going to be negative affirmations and they are not going to be the positive one. The best affirmation while sleeping is my child sleeps peacefully. So in that everything is included. The dreams are included, the potty is included, the pee is included, everything. So you do not have to be very elaborative. Have short affirmations, and there are many affirmations already shared by me on Instagram. Now there are many people who create affirmations. So there's a lady called as Louise Hay. She is a affirmation expert, and she has been awarded the this Nobel Prize as well for creating affirmations, and she has healed many people as well as herself. So her affirmations are easily available on free basis, but many of them are not child friendly. So sometimes I have to pick up the affirmations that are actually for the children, and I have collected all of them and put it on my Instagram. So you can always go and check because they are freely available for everyone. So make a small affirmation list for your own self. There is also a post on my group where I have mentioned all the affirmation list. There's also a video I'm going to make, like I'm going to point out all the words, so that could be an easier option for you. So once again, some few affirmations. First, you are a healthy child. Second, you are a peaceful soul. Third, you are a positive soul. Fourth, only the good things come to you. Fifth, you are happy. Sixth, life is easy for you. 7, everything is peaceful. 7, all is well, all is well, all is well. So anytime your child is crying, always say all is well. Now, is there any specific time to say the affirmation? See, some call it sleep affirmation, some call it as morning affirmations. I personally believe, because I have read Louise Hay's books, she says that you have to say affirmations like 1,000 to 1,000 times, then they actually become your mindset. So just saying once or twice is not going to help. What you can do is you can tell, whenever you communicate with your child, you can always say all these things only, like you are peaceful, you're good, you're better. Or you can say good job is like everybody says it, but you can also say that you're a clever child, you're intelligent, or you can do it, or just do it. In Hindi if we say, it's like आसान है. So whenever the child listen all these things, he also feels motivated that okay, all these things means I have to be motivated, and I have to be happy, and automatically your talk with your child becomes very positive. And you also yourself don't understand that how come you have started behaving so positively and so peacefully. So this is one thing. And another thing is sleep affirmation, which is called as 5-minute suggestion by Sishida. What they mention is you can record your own voice, make your child listen to it, or you can whenever the child goes to sleep, so the sleep just starts and the baby's right brain or the subconscious mind is more active. So at that point of time, if you say any good positive words, they go in their mind. So you can try this also. If there are any bad habits that you want to change, you can change by saying that so and so in a positive frame. But I personally believe if you keep on saying you are a positive soul, you are a peaceful soul, you are a healthy soul, there are no problems that are going to appear as problem. You can always be compassionate to your child, and you won't feel the need of creating a specific affirmation. You will just say the generic affirmation, and you will also be peaceful, and the child will also be peaceful. Okay guys, so that's it on affirmations. Thanks a lot, and do subscribe. Bye bye.